Pathfinder 2005 model. Whatever, it's kind of like how the Duramax has a limp mode, you know, when the transmission issues or something goes on. This also has a limp mode, which is what it's in right now, and it basically means you have a top speed of about 15 miles an hour, which is why I'm trailering it to the place, because 15 is a little slow to get anywhere. Plus it's only about a 10-mile drive. Shouldn't take me too much time to trailer it, come back. But that was just idled up here on 4-wheel drive low. So these Pathfinders, they do have a pretty serious 4x4 low in them. So we're gonna get this taken care of, and then obviously this particular car we're fixing up. So drop this off at Nissan real quick. I really think it's just gonna be hey, pick up a scanner, do some stuff, and get the ECU ready to go that I just put in. So apparently did not fix the problem, even though that's what the code's for. So I think Nissan's gonna have this fixed in like 30 minutes. But we shall see. Alright, so that's one. You basically just wrap them around the top half of the tire. I suppose I probably could have just ran the rope back to here if I had 4 of the D-rings, but this one seemed to work fine. Although my clamp here, I think they're supposed to go through this and back up and over on this side. So it's kind of pulling down instead of pulling up in case it hits a bump and the suspension takes off. I think that's what it's supposed to be. I don't know if I'm just doing it wrong or my ratchet is not designed to work like that. But I feel like it's backwards, this rope right here. But the biggest thing is this square is actually just a hair too wide to actually fit through this. So I can't get this the hook down through here. So I have to go on the outside or the inside of the bigger section. With that said, you know, you ratchet it down tight enough, and you know, this is, once I get the other 3 down, that's probably not going nowhere. So let's get the other 3 down and get out of here. Alright, so this is my first time using these Vulcan car straps, and I can already tell these will definitely be, unless I have something I can use axle straps on, which me personally I don't. These things will work for just about every vehicle that I own. And they're good for, I got plenty of strap here obviously, so I could do a 35, 30, probably 37. But I like them also because I can use them on lowered cars. So like the Forester or the Trans Am, whenever I get around to it, those will be great for transporting that. The suspension is kind of independent of the strap, so I do like this. My only regret or change that I might make, I might actually go with 4 of the hooks and just run the strap back to the hook, since they're outside and won't hit nothing. So, but anyway, I'm about to go. Like I said, not too far. I'm just going to the local Nissan dealership.